All right, that is good. Turn it on. Now, how the hell do I see what's going on? Where's my monitor?
Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Ho, 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 it's a very Merry Christmas. And what do we have here? It's not 13 inches, it's not 16 inches. No, we're going big. We're going really big. It's time to unbox the Mac Pro.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. That's right, this is the Mac Pro. I don't know what we're doing with this box. What are we doing with this box?
I don't know, but it's huge.
We're gonna test it out, let you guys know. Can you even see me?
It's really hard. What? Oh my God. Okay, I got that. Thanks for the help, Ash. Let's do this. Woo! Oh wow! Ooh wow! Ooh!
Padding.
Ooh!
Nice.
Ooh!
Oh, this box is cool.
It.
Guys, this box is cool.
Oh
Look.
my God.
Greetings, spaceman.
Oh my God! The Space Invaders
We
have
have come
No!
to invade your land. This is cool. I'm keeping the box. I'm gonna.
Okay, but what is even cooler, Ash, is this box. This box is the
What
bomb
is going
diggity.
on? It's so
It
weird.
is so. It feels
What's the
so
material?
weird. It's like a plasticky. It's like reinforced cardboard with plastic.
Vinyl.
Kind of like that.
Yeah.
I like
Alright,
this.
what do we see?
Look, there's some handles on the side here.
Some straps.
Yeah. Take the straps off. Go. Wow, this box is heavy.
Hey! Hello. I'm a Mac Pro. Yo, I'm a Mac Pro. Mac Pro. I'm a Mac Pro. Are you a Mac Pro? Yeah, unbox
Mac
me.
Pro.
Sorry, look, if you're spending this much money on a kit, you want to see what's inside. And this
Makeup.
is look,
It's for my makeup.
makeup.
My face has come off.
Look at that. Oh,
Wow.
What is this? It's just cardboard, and all right, it's just.
It's really strong, which is nice because actually this is quite small in comparison. That's nice.
Oh, you like it?
I like
Oh,
it.
this is the baby.
Yes.
Look at it.
Yes.
It's so tiny.
It is.
Okay, this is the Mac
This is it,
Pro.
this is it, babe.
Wow. Last time I had a
cheese
Mac Pro
grater.
was a few years ago. I bought one on eBay. Remember that?
Yes.
Got it on eBay for cheap. I got it for like $500. I loved it. It was great, beautiful, quiet system. But yeah, I needed a newer processor. So hopefully this guy will be better. Although it's a very overpriced. Oh,
I
God.
like it.
Okay,
It's
ladies, you
exciting.
can try out.
I'm not doing.
Get-
Look, I'll do this. I'll do this.
You
I'll
gotta
do
show
this.
what it is.
I'm going to turn it around. Oh, you want me to take this off?
Yeah.
You think I can lift this
Yeah,
up?
ladies, girl power. See, if this was an Avengers film, you'd be flying this around the planet.
I think I can lift it up.
Oh, help me out with the box. Oh my days. Oh,
Wow.
that was good.
It's good
That was a
muscle.
good.
Oh, workout.
that was a good
That was
workout.
awesome workout.
All right, what are we doing? Do you want to do the Mac Pro or do you want to do the accessories?
I don't know.
Do you want to do the accessories? You want to
Okay,
touch
I
us?
want to see. Okay, this one is something cute and small. Whoa.
There you go. Check it out.
Yes,
Trackpad.
I love it.
Brand new spanking
I
trackpad.
love that.
And this is a special edition trackpad, by the way. It's black.
Yeah, it's
Black,
really nice.
black on silver.
I
So the
really
other one
like
they're
the
currently selling.
cabling.
Oh, you like that?
That's really nice cable.
It's braided, right?
Yeah, it's really
Oh,
nice.
nice.
I like the black too.
So it's black on silver. That's what's special about this one. You can't get this in store. You have to get a Mac
Wow.
Pro for it.
Wow.
Step one, you want to see the keyboard?
Yes.
Okay, hopefully this keyboard is reliable. some dude, really cool dude, is on YouTube. He said that his 2019 Mac Pro, his keyboard, bust up. 2019, that's the first report I've heard of a 2019 MacBook Pro keyboard busting up. Do you
Gosh,
like it?
This is so old school. This is so
Old
old
school.
school. Old school. Wow, that is just like, it's really thin. It's nice. It's so weird actually having to feel a keyboard in your
nice.
hand.
It's nice. I'm excited. I feel like for me this is a bit too wide because I like the smaller ones. But I'll see how it goes on my desk.
I love
I'll tell
it.
you why. Because when you put your keyboard there, I like the mouse being right next to me. But long keyboard, mouse, it's going to take some adjustment. I don't know if it's worth my back. What else have we got in here?
That's it. I think that's it, isn't it?
No, there's a.
There's more.
Oh, this is the one we've been waiting for.
You got the stickers in it.
Don't know. Let me know.
That's what we want. It's the stickers. Oh, there's no stickers.
No, there is. You love stickers?
I love this.
Okay.
Oh my God, black stickers. That's so cool.
All right, and for Christmas, we're gonna drop this on Christmas Day. We're gonna do a full story time with the Mac Pro. We're gonna read every single page of the Mac Pro. Like, this is how the Mac Pro looks like. This is, we're gonna go through this booklet and read it to you. Magic Mouse 2 and Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad already paired with Mac Pro. They don't call it the Mac Pro, they call it with Mac Pro. Yeah. Mac Pro. There you go. Pro. We're officially pro. Anyone else out there in the world says we're not pro enough, just show them this piece of kit. And oh my God, this is it. This is it. This is what.
What is that? What is that? Is there more?
Yeah, there is one more thing inside. There is a braided
Wow.
power adapter. Now this is the world's first official unveiling of the Australian plug. Mac Pro Australian plug. Yeah, this is what the Mac Pro Australian plug looks like.
That is so cool. I really like these plugs.
Yeah.
They remind me. It reminds me of my iron plug. So on your iron, because you don't want to melt the cable, they always put it in this braided thing. So it reminds me of my iron. Really big, really big.
You know what? Most of the weight is actually in the packaging.
Is that right?
Yeah, this is so heavy.
Oh, there
This
you
is.
go. So you can't get this from store, is that right, Ash?
One sec.
Whew. So you can't get.
All right. No, you can't. We went to the store, and they said only the flagship stores, may have them. And they were telling us, please order one for this store because we want to play with it. So if I do change my configuration and return this one, I will be giving it to the store so they can have a good play.
Wow.
Hey, there it is. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
Now, what does it actually look like in real life? Because
wow.
on the announcement, it cracked us up. It looked like cheese grater. You got really happy.
It did. Oh my gosh, it looks nice.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
I actually really like it.
Come on. I'm also going to be collecting these sheets.
Oh wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, 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 wow. It has come a long way since your 2010 model.
You didn't like that one?
No, it looked so old school. This looks gorgeous. I didn't actually think it would look this nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. You are.
I'm trying to get rid of the... I'm trying to do my job. You know, I've gone Rebels. This one is gone. My first ever torturous. And this is it. This is the Mac Pro.
Wow.
What does it look like? It reminds you of like kitchen appliances, right? With this steel frame. What
Like
was
a
that?
kettle or a toaster.
Kettle, was it? What, Smeg kettle? What kind of kettle are we looking at?
Yeah, I think we're looking at a Smeg kettle here and then a cheese grater on this side as
I
well.
love the gigantic Apple logo. It looks gorgeous. You got, yeah, it does,
I
doesn't
love
it?
it. I actually really like it.
Well, should we get a proper one?
Yeah, I think we should.
A proper configuration will cost twice the amount we paid.
Whoa.
So, ooh, the front.
It's really nice, isn't it?
What do you think of the front? The grills.
Gorgeous.
And
I love the grill. I love the grills.
Yeah.
It looks so much better in person than it did on the Apple event, doesn't it?
And okay, what's interesting about the grills is when you look at the pictures, because you're looking at it so straight, they look like upside down alien heads. But here, because
You're right.
here because you're getting at different angles, they just look like holes. It just looks like holes, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks so much better. And also, because you're looking in real life as well, you get that three-dimensional aspect as well, whereas on a 2D picture, it just looks weird. It looks like a cheese grater.
It's old school, this guy.
Wow.
Old school.
Wow.
And it's got some USB. It's got 10 gigabit Ethernet built in. What should we do? Should we open it up?
Oh my gosh,
See what it looks
yeah.
like? And I had some stories. Some guys, they couldn't open the box. It was
Really?
too harshly tight. And oh wait.
Whoa.
I want to see where this was made.
How'd you see?
I don't know. Maybe at the bottom.
It says, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China.
China.
Woo!
China. What happened? Australia's got a free trade agreement with America. Why didn't they send us the American ones?
I don't know, it's weird.
Trump, sort it out.
And I twist.
Twist, and then just pull up.
No, I think I've locked it.
No, it's unlocked. Because you
No,
see
okay,
this part
it's
raised.
hard.
Look. Twist it and then pull up.
Okay, it's quite stiff. You actually need to give it a bit of a tug. It's really hard.
Oh.
It's really hard.
All right, okay, I'll do it.
That was really hard.
All right.
Oh my god, this is gorgeous.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, this is what she's looking at.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
what edition is this? It does look nice. It looks like a
Car.
sports car, a toy
like a
sports
car.
car. So we've got right here, we got the 580X out-of-date graphics card. We got an I/O board with headphones, Courage. We got a processor, the basic one, and that is pretty much it. Nothing special to see. Yeah, we just got the base one because we know we're not rich. Now, there is some sadness in the world. You can't turn it on while the case is off.
Oh.
The old one, you could have it opened up and you can check it out, find out what's going on.
So why can't you turn it on if it's not plugged in? Because look, you can just press the power button there.
Don't do it.
Can I? Shall I?
Yeah, go on. It's not plugged in.
Oh. That's why you can't turn it on.
There's the grills, the fans.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta say, it looks beautiful. I guess you get this guy to upgrade it down the line when things are cheaper. So.
Sorry, I'm really sorry to interrupt you. The only thing that I've noticed that I'm kind of a bit annoyed about is Fingerprint City.
Whoa, where?
Everywhere
Where?
on these chrome fixtures. Like I'm going to like polish this every 5 seconds.
Is it what on this black stuff?
No, it's just the chrome silver. No, that's fine. It's just this stuff.
Yeah.
It's annoying. It's like I want it to be shiny all the time. I have to get my chamois cloth and just like clean it up.
This stuff opens up. Look. Ooh.
Wow.
How much RAM did we get? Oh, we just got the base one. Just looking for a Christmas present. It's a Christmas miracle. So I think what I'm going to do first is, before I get with unscrewing the hell out of it and doing some modifications and all that kind of stuff, I think what I'll do first is I'm going to set it up and do some tests, find out, you know, does the 8-core Xeon ECC Super Mac Pro compete against the 16-inch MacBook Pro? Will it? Which one's faster? What do you guys think?
I'm so excited. I cannot.
I think, honestly, I'll be honest with you, I think the 16-inch MacBook Pro is going to be faster than this. But I want to know.
Really?
Yeah, because this has got like a completely out-of-date graphics card, a 580X.
Wow, okay.
That was in my Mac Pro that I bought in 2010, that I upgraded in
Wow.
2017. So it's a really old graphics card. It's only an 8-core Xeon processor. Why did I buy this machine?
Because it looks gorgeous. It looks gorgeous.
But the iMac Pro looks gorgeous. Oh.
All right, let's get testing. It's nice.
Is it going down on its own?
Yeah.
All right, and you twist it, and that's it. It's done.
That's
That's it. The Mac Pro has been unboxed. Now, let's find out how the hell it performs. All right, that's it. That was the unboxing experience of the Mac Pro. Overall, I gotta say, it's already scratched up the sides of the box. Look at that. Yeah, there's scratches on it already.
It wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me.
No, it's just. It's just.
Is it just dirt? There are some scuff
Yeah,
marks.
there's scuff marks already.
Scuff
It
marks
wasn't us.
everywhere. All right, look.
What was
Just a
happening?
scratch.
Where?
Just a scratch there,
How?
like this.
Oh yeah. So can you rub it out? So it rubs out. That's nice. So you scratch it, but then
You can rub it away.
you can rub it away.
So, I mean, ordinarily, you wouldn't really go around scratching your computer, though, would you?
No, but scuffs happen. Oh my god, look at the fingerprints. All right, so overall, it looks like a beautiful piece of kit, but it is a bit scuffy when you look closely. I have to get the camera and zoom in. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Any questions, leave a comment below. And, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I have a feeling that this one's going to be slow. Why did I get this one?
Sounds like it. You should have got a better one.
Yeah, I should have. I regret not at least
This
getting
is
the
just
afterburner
pointless.
cards. It is pointless.
pointless getting
You know, it's slower than an iMac Pro.
Yeah, that's really
What is the
slow.
point of this? It doesn't even have a monitor.
So why would you get this rather than getting another device? Why would you get this one in particular?
Because you can upgrade this one. It's got all these extra slots.
Got you.
So you can get the cheapest one there. Okay, it won't be as fast as an iMac Pro. It won't be as fast as a MacBook Pro. But you can configure it.
Yeah, but the configuration, is that going to be more expensive or about the same price as it coming already built-in configured?
You can't upgrade a MacBook Pro. So with a MacBook Pro, you can add an eGPU. eGPUs, they're great, but they're not that great. You lose performance in them, and there's a limited amount of upgrades you can do. Whereas this one, you get so many PCIe slots that you can configure it in a way that you can't configure an iMac Pro. For example, you can get the afterburner cards.
Yeah.
So if you do certain configuration, it will speed up your video editing. You
Okay.
can, if you're an audio guy, you can install some audio cards.
Yeah.
If you want to get an SSD upgrade, you can
Yeah.
get a PCIe SSD upgrade. You can't update the SSD of the T2 chip. That one is, I got the base model for that because I want to use that. But you can get extra RAM. You can go to a configuration that's more flexible than with a MacBook Pro. With MacBook Pro or iMac Pro, you get it. You're stuck with that configuration. It's hard for you to do anything else.
So why would you not just get, so is it cheaper, my question is it cheaper to get the base model and configure it up yourself, or is it cheaper for you just to buy it all spec'd out rather than configuring it yourself?
So it is cheaper to configure it yourself. So if you buy RAM, you can get the RAM a lot cheaper than what Apple charge you for. But there's some components that you can't get from anywhere else. For example, okay, I'm in Australia. If I want to upgrade the CPU, at the moment, the CPUs they're using, they're just newly released. So there's no Australian vendor that I know of that sells the chips that are inside these. If you lived in America or a place like that where there's more supply, you'd be able to find a vendor. But in 6 months' time, you'll be able to get it in Australia and it'll be cheaper than you would get it from Apple themselves. And in a year or two's time, it'll be a lot cheaper.
Got it.
Now, if you want to get the Afterburner card, that's Apple only. If you want to get a graphics card, you can get a lot of different graphics cards. The graphics cards they sell in Australia, they're like $4,000 for the basic upgrade.
Wow.
Whereas I got mine for $500, the Vega 64, so I can use that. So there are components you can get yourself for a lot cheaper than Apple. But some components, you have to get it from Apple yourselves.
Got you.
And price-wise, it's cheaper to get the graphics card from Apple in the upgrade because Apple charge an extra $500 over here in Australia if you want to buy their base graphics card directly from them, and it's currently not for sale. It's going to be selling in a couple of months because they factor in taking away your old graphics card. So you're going to have to sell your old graphics card, which isn't worth $500. It's worth a lot less, but maybe it's worth to the collectors, and get the Apple card themselves. But you can get any other graphics cards. It might not work as well, but there is opportunities there. And for the CPU, like I said, it's better off getting it from Apple at the moment over here in Australia because I don't have a vendor here that will sell me the chip. And yeah, that's kind of
really
get an idea.
Yeah, got it. So you just need to like buy the basic one and then you can upgrade it to save a couple of $1,000. Or if you're super rich, you could just max this out and just if you've got the super souped up one, can you then configure that one to be even better, or are you limited?
Well, we don't know. So the thing with Intel is they may go ahead and say that their new processors require a different motherboard. They may do that. They might not. They might be respectful and allow you to keep the upgrade. They did that with the old Mac Pro. The chips, you can get better ones. But next year's Intel chips aren't guaranteed to work on this system. And the year after that, they're not guaranteed. So if you get the best one, you're going to be losing the most value, but you probably don't care because you probably got enough money.
You got enough money, right? It's like 90 grand
or
something.
It's your business, isn't it? So, and it's a write-off. It's a business. Obviously, in Australia, you got to be a bit careful about your upgrades because we get a business write-off of 30K. So if you want to go ahead and get the best one, make sure you order the monitor as a separate purchase because the monitor is around 10K, and configure your Mac Pro up to 30K. If it's over 30K, it's a headache because you need to have depreciation, so you can only claim a percentage of it every single year. Whereas if you just get the best configuration for up to 30K and then buy the graphics card or the Afterburner card as a separate purchase, you can get more instant write-offs that way.
Got you.
There you go. Business advice.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And Ash, one last question. Speaking of monitors, are you going to get the monitor?
No, I'm not going to get
Why?
I do like that it's anti-reflective because I get a lot of sun over here in Australia. So my monitor is Reflection City. I need to just draw the curtains whenever I try to work. But I'm not going to get it because I do not like the aspect ratio. It's too boxy. And I don't like the idea of two screens. So for example, with me, I've got an ultra-wide display, and you do video editing, right?
Yeah.
It's great. You can have a timeline that's like the size of the world.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you guys out there, no, manufacturers of graphics, manufacturers of monitors, please make an ultra-wide display that isn't frigging curved. Curved is stupid. Like Samsung's got this really super wide one, but it's curved. I've got a flat one. I bought it 2 years ago and it's beautiful. The colors aren't perfect, but you know, I'm making stuff for YouTube, so I don't really care about that. That's
awesome.
That's it.
Thank you so much. Hey, one more. What about the wheels?
The wheels, fun.
Where do they even go? Like, if you have wheels, where do they go?
So you just unscrew the base of
So
it.
you unscrew this, and then you put the wheels in.
It's not an easy setup, so Apple recommend that you go into their store and they'll do it for you.
Right, okay.
But you can purchase it with the wheels themselves. That has become
pretty cool.
A really long video.
It was cool.
We haven't even turned it on. We're just showing off. This is a show and tell. Welcome to the show and tell with V2Joe. Is there any particular tests you guys want me to do on this? I already have a million. I've got, look, check it out. I've got this. I've got radiation tests. I've got a heat test. I've got an electricity wattage test to let you guys know how much power draw this machine is taking, how much it will cost you in electricity, which one is more economical, a MacBook Pro or one of these, and we're going to be doing some damage with it. So, are we doing a drop test? Balcony drop test.
my god, this is gorgeous.